What is div in HTML? Look at this example. We have fruits, and fruits is like elements in HTML, and we have palette. The palette is like a div in HTML, and now we can say the div element is used as a container for other HTML elements. Now let's see the syntax of that. This is div, and we can write anything we want. I want to write header 1, for example, apples, and I want to write another div, for example, orange, and also I want to give background for this. And remember this, that we will read background or style in CSS. Let's save it and see it. Look, this is the first div and this is the second div. The orange is the children of the second div, and the apples is the children of the first div. And remember this, the div is block element by default, mean that it takes all the width.